is Bong Sase. It's September 6, 2014. We're here in Kalipayan Resort, Dasmariñas City. We just finished the wedding of Eman and Monica, Mr. and Mrs. Eliaco. And with us today is Miss Reg, who invited me over for this wedding. So I'm just here to ask a short feedback on how was their experience and what would they recommend to those of you who will be watching this on my website, okay? So, Sir Eman, Miss Monica? Sabi niya.
The host was very fun, and then speechless po talaga kami sa nangyari. And napakagaling po yung mag-teach.
So, first step, for second is the program is fun, so it has a flexible program, so if you have something in your mind that you want to come out from the program, so you can see and he will execute.
Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Eliaco. And we're gonna ask a short feedback then from the person who invited us. Miss Reg?
Okay, hi everyone. First of all, there's really an ease in doing the wedding together with Bong and Marie and the entire team. It was such an ease for a coordinator like me, considering that we're running out of time, and of course the quality of the program is very important to us. So really appreciate his help in this program. Thank you, Bong.
Thank you very much. Thank you also. Oh, meron pa tayong habol. Oh, phone in. Oh, yan.
I really do appreciate very much all the people that helped, who helped, and until now who give support. The event was very nice, very lively. Everybody said I had a lot of fun, and it was really a remarkable. And they are very pleased. They keep telling me that. Thank you so much for inviting us. It's been a privilege to come and visit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mommy. And there you have it. You can visit my website at www.bongsasethehost.weebly.com. Set the date. We'll make it great. Thank you.